To another video, guys. Today I'm going to work on my wife's car and change the heater resistor. It's been having problems with the heater not turning on, so I'm going to replace the resistor and hopefully that fixes it. This is my wife's car, 1997 BMW 318i. We'll open it up. I've got to get the battery out of my car so I can start it and move it. Okay, so I've got the car moved, and the resistor is located under the dash on the passenger side. Well, you can't see, it's too dark in here. But up under here, there's two screws on each side here that's holding the plastic cover in. I'll take that off, and then I'll be able to get to the resistor. Okay, now I've got the cover off. You can see the resistor there. It's got two screws holding it in. I think they're Phillips, or you can use a flathead. So I'll unscrew them, get the resistor out, and chuck in the new one. Yeah, so I got the old one out. This is the new one. So we'll get this one in and hopefully the fan will work. The new one's in now. What a mission it was. But we'll see if the fan works now. Beautiful. It's working now. Let's see. Yep, I can feel the fan, the air blowing up here. Fantastic. Now, if some of you guys are wondering where I got the resistor from, I picked it up off eBay for, I think it was 40 bucks. And so now it's all working. I'll get it all back together. I'll put that cover back on. I'll move the car, put the battery back in my car, and yeah, job done. I hope this video helped some of you guys out that own a BMW or having this problem with your heaters. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you.